everybody, and welcome to my video today, and welcome to the month of July. So today I want to share two cards with you. The first card I'm just going to be sharing with you. It actually is for another project, but it goes with all of the stuff we're talking about. The second card is my favorite card kit for this month. And if you're not familiar with this thing that I do, it's this really fun thing that I love doing. I create a card kit every single month, and it is my favorite card of the month. When you place an order with me of $35 or more before shipping and tax, I send you that favorite card kit. It has all the pieces to make the card that I share, and then it has a PDF that goes with it. And those card kits go out immediately when you place an order. So I prep all of them, and then I just pull a card kit and I send it out the moment you place an order. So this month there's some fun things happening. We have a designer sale, a designer paper series sale. So several of our designer papers are on sale and you can save 15%. So it's a great month to stock up on your favorite paper. This You're a Peach paper is one of the papers that is on sale. And today I'm going to be using Sweet as a Peach stamp set, and then the dies that go with, there are dies that go with it. I'm not using the dies today, but there are dies that go with it. And then I've been using this banner punch a ton and I love it. So we're going to use that. And then of course the paper. So every month I have a tutorial bundle design team that I'm a part of, and we create projects based on a suite of product from Stampin' Up. And in the month of July, we are focusing on the Peach Suite. And so we have a tutorial that features 12 different projects using this themed product. And I give that tutorial to anybody who is a customer of mine. So if you place an order with me, you get that tutorial for free. If you have Paper Pumpkin with me, you get it. If you're a part of my Stampin' Up team, you also get that tutorial, which is really a really nice feature. So this is my card for that tutorial bundle project, and it features this, and I wanted to show that to you guys. So cute, this stamp. And I need to re-ink my stamp pad, so my sentiment is a little faded. But I did this. I loved adding the Flirty Flamingo and the Pale Papaya ribbon to this. It's so gorgeous layered together. And then I also took my Wink of Stella and went over the peach as well, and it's really pretty. So now let's dive in and make my favorite card kit for this month. And we're using that designer paper. We're going to start with a card base, and this is Poppy Parade cardstock. And I love Poppy Parade cardstock. It wasn't in color, and then it went away. And then when Stampin' Up refreshed their colors, they brought this color back, and I am always and forever in love with this. So we have a Poppy Parade card base. So I just took a piece of 8.5 by 11 cardstock. I cut it in half at 4 1/4, and then I scored it and folded it at 5 1/2. And that's going to give us our standard card for this. And then the next thing I have is a piece of Pale Papaya. And do you see that I have embossed it with this really beautiful embossing folder? So when you get your kit, yours will be embossed as well. And so we're going to work on this piece here. Actually, what I can do is go ahead and add adhesive to this. So I'm going to use some foam to pop this piece up. And I'm trying out this new foam. And so I'm just going to cut this down to size. And then we're going to center this right on the card. And this adhesive is really, really strong. So a couple times when I've been using this foam, I've put something on crooked and there's no fixing it. Okay, so we have that. So the next couple pieces that I have that you'll get is this piece, which is the polka dot piece, and then this really beautiful, the floral piece. And I'm going to layer these on here. So I'm just going to add a little bit of adhesive, and I'm going to add this right to the top of the Poppy Parade piece. Oops. I got to get right over this. I got to be able to see the top of that cardstock. So just like that. And then we will layer the same way where we'll just add a little bit of adhesive and we'll put this right in the middle. So I used this for this flag and then this design for this piece. The next thing I have is a So Sweetly stitched piece that I've cut out of white cardstock. And what I want to do is use the hello. This is the cutest hello you've ever seen. Let me find it. I got to find it in my, it's right here. Look how tiny that is. So I'm going to grab a block. And then I want Poppy Parade ink. So here's my ink pad. And then we're going to stamp. Hopefully this is straight. I'm a little far away from it. Not bad. I just love this color. Okay, so then what we're going to do is layer this right here, and we'll just take some adhesive. And then I have this Poppy Parade heart, and we'll put a little bit of foam on it. You'll get the heart in your kit. A dimensional would work as well. And if you have the stamp set, you could layer a peach there if you wanted. And then I'll add a little bit of Wink of Stella to the heart to make it shimmer and shine. Whatever rhinestones you have on hand will work. You could color these rhinestones with your blends. So you could color them in a Poppy Parade color so that they matched a little bit better, but I just like to add a little bit of bling around here. You could add sequins. Let me show you one where I added sequins. So this is my favorite card kit for the month. I hope you enjoyed seeing this. And when you place an order with me, I will send this card kit to you. And I hope that you will enjoy making it. I will be back next week with new projects for you guys. I will also have some celebration items to share with you that will be fun. So make sure you catch me on my Facebook page on Monday for Creative Live, or on YouTube for my Friday Live, always at 11 a.m. Pacific Standard Time. So thank you guys so much. I will be chatting with you guys next week. I hope you have a wonderful day.